What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. So for today's episode guys, we will be doing an unboxing of 2023-2024 Panini Prizm Drop-Pix Blaster Box. But before I go further, let me share to you our ongoing raffle. So kaka-start niya lang guys, last January 10. Ito ay ongoing until March 31, March Hoops Madness Raffle. So all Lazada, Shopee, and eShop orders from that duration, again January 10 to March 31, will be able to join the raffle. So all successful orders will be qualified for one raffle entry, one additional entry if you leave a review with a photo or a video, and two additional entries if you purchase through our eShop via Cards360.store. So for the grand prize, we will be giving out one winner of 2023-2024 Panini Instant Chet Holmgren na number 81, yung card na yon guys, limited print card of Panini Instant ni Chet Holmgren. On top of that, you'll also be getting 2023-2024 Panini Hoops Cello Pack, Winter Edition Pack, and Retail Pack. For the consolation prizes, we will be having 3 winners of 2023-2024 Panini Instant, again, Chet Holmgren, limited print card number 81, 3 winners of NBA Hoops Cello Pack, and 3 winners of 2023-2024 NBA Hoops Winter Edition Pack. The draw will be on April 7 through Facebook Live, and of course, double entries tayo guys, or additional entries tayo on January 15, 30, Feb 2, 14, 24, March 3, 15, and the 30th. So again, join our raffle guys, the March Hoops Madness Raffle. And then, meron din tayong ongoing no, na 2021-2022 Retail Pack Madness. So this is 3 packs plus accessories, so 3 plus 1 and 1. Just check, the link will be shared down below na lang for your reference. So yan naman will be ongoing from January 21 up to January 31. 2024. All right. So again, for today's episode, guys, no, 2023-2024 Panini Prizm Drop-Pix featuring the Thompson Twins. So for this box, meron siyang 30 cards, 6 packs per box, and 5 cards per pack. By the way, available din to guys dun sa Mega Box. So for the Mega Box, times 2 yung cards na meron siya. So for the Mega Box, 60 cards naman siya. 10 cards per pack and 6 packs per box. Again, available yan pareho guys sa ating Lazada, Shopee official stores, and eShop at Cards360.store. Alright, so let's check ano pa yung mga possible cards na makukuha natin dito sa Panini Prizm Drop-Pix. So of course, nakalagay dito, look for retail exclusive green Prizm autographs. So of course, that's on average, no? For the exclusive green Prizm autographs. And then, heto yung list ng cards na pwede nating makuha. So, feel free to pause the video if you would like to read that further. Alright, so hopefully makakuha tayo guys ng Wemby or any of the top picks. Yun nga lang, hindi tayo makakakuha dito ng Wembanyama, Scoot, or Brandon Miller na autograph kasi nga they are Fanatics exclusive. So, yung pinakamataas na pwede nating makuha is itong Thompson Twins. Alright, so let's check. So again, 6 packs per box. So ito yung box guys, lagay natin dito. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, 5 cards per pack yan. Alright, so let's check pack number 1. So for the first card, it's a rookie card of Seth Lundy. Alright. Meron tayong insert sa dulo. Okay. Pan muna natin yan. Para sa suspense, guys. Let's check that later. So, again, first card, Seth Lundy. Ayan. Top rookie. Amen Thompson. Rookie card. Nice. We have Scottie Barnes. And Bryce Sensabaugh. Rookie card, no? Ohio. Okay. So, tabi muna natin tong insert, guys. Open natin yan mamaya. Moving on to the second pack. By the way, before I go further, guys, again, thank you very much no, for all your support. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel para you'll be able to get notified no, yung mga future raffles natin. yung mga ongoing raffles and promos natin, and of course, yung mga bago nating offerings sa Cards 360. Also, follow our Facebook page and Instagram account for more details, no, para ma-notified kayo lagi for our updates. Okay? So, moving on to the second pack, another Thompson, the other half of the Thompson twins, Azar Thompson. Very nice. We have a Paulo Banquero. Nice. Okay? So, diretso to sa PC. Okay? Another one is Gabe Culture. Tama ba yung pronunciation ko, guys? Paki-correct na lang ako sa comment section. Rookie card. And then we have Jalen Williams. Mainit tong card natin, guys, no? Puro top rookies. And then sa likod, meron tayong green parallel, no? Sa likod. Okay? So, mamaya na natin siya open. So, tabi muna natin yan. Mamaya, sabay-sabay natin siyang i-open. Moving on to the third pack. So, for the third pack, let's see, no, yung mga possible cards na makuha natin dito. So, meron na naman tayong insert sa likod. So, takpan din natin ulit yan para suspense. Check natin yan mamaya. Alright. So, first card muna tayo for the third pack. Rookie card of Adam Flagler. Alright. We have Isaiah Thomas. Okay, yung OG, no, hindi yung Isaiah na sa Boston dati. Okay, nice card. Okay, we have Dylan Mitchell, Zach LaVine, and heto nga yung ating rookie card, no, rookie card siya, guys, to na insert. Okay, so open natin yan mamaya. Punta na tayo sa fourth pack. Alright, so again, check this out, guys, no, available to Shopee, Lazada. Available na to eShop. Again, this is the blaster box, pero you can also get yung, or ino-offer din natin yung mega box. Alright. Next is Dame Lillard. Ayan. Rookie card of Keontae George. Marcus Noel, rookie card. And then Brandon Miller. Ayan, top rookie. Rookie card, no? So, meron na naman tayong parallel sa likod. Sa likod na kulay green. Okay, takpan natin muna yan. Mamaya, sabay-sabay nating open yan. Moving on to the fifth pack. Let's check, no? So far, mainit yung box natin, no? We've been getting top rookies from this year and from last year, no? Naka-Paulo na tayo kanina. And then, of course, the Thompson twins. Okay? So, moving on to the fifth na to, no? Fifth pack, rookie card of Leaky Black. We have Jaden Ivey, again, top rookie from the previous class. Jalen Pickett, rookie card. And then we have Jarras Walker, rookie card. Meron tayong insert sa likod. Buksan na natin to, guys. Okay. Rookie card of Keontae George. Ayan. Brilliant. Okay. Nice card. Lagay natin yan dyan. So, last pack na tayo. So, hopefully, makakuha tayo dito ng Wemby. But meron pa tayong tatlong i-open later. I-finale na natin yan. Okay. Moving on to the last pack. Kobe Buffkin, rookie card. We have Magic Johnson. Rookie card of Kendrick Davis. And Karl Malone. Grabe, no? Puro OGs yung nakuha natin. Ito, green. Hindi siya rookie card. Green card of Zach LaVine. Nice card. Okay. Zach LaVine, no? From UCLA. No, balita to, no? Na nasa trading block si Zach. So, let's check, no? Sa trade deadline. Kuha muna tayo ng sleeves dito. Let's check kung ma-trade siya sa trade deadline na malapit na. If bibitawan ba siya ng Bulls. I think the Lakers is interested, no, in getting him. So, check natin kung saan siya fall na team. Ayan. So, again, sleeves natin yan using our premium sleeves, no, sa Cards 360. Now, of course, available yan, no, sa mga stores natin. Check it out, guys. One of our best-selling products, by the way, yung ating premium sleeves. So, let's open yung 4 na remaining card. So, for the next card, ito, rookie card to, guys, no? Green. Maganda yung centering niya, oh. Balance. Nice. Osar Thompson. Ayan. Top rookies, no? Green parallel, no? Nice card. Ayan. So, Kayonte, tabi ka muna dyan. So, another green yung open natin. Green card, rookie card ba siya? Hindi siya rookie card. Nice one. Paolo Banchero, top rookie, top pick from last year's draft. So green na naman, no? Yung centering niya medyo off sa left na masyadong maliit dito sa right, no? Pero again, nice card, no? Green, Paolo Banchero from Duke. So tabi muna natin tong ating logo sa gitna. Ayan, dyan tayo sa gitna. Paolo P5. Ayan. So moving on. Okay, dito tayo sa insert naman. Rookie card of Brandon? No, kamukha. James Nagy, no? Fearless. Okay? Rookie card. Ayan siya, guys. And for the last card, ito medyo malupit to. Rookie card ba to? Hindi siya rookie card. Evan Mobley. Not bad, no? Again, this is numbered ba to? Hindi siya numbered, pero ang ganda na, guys. Ang ganda ng design. It's a purple prism. Check nga natin kung dito sa box kung saan siya. I think purple yata. Ito, purple wave, kung di ako nagkakamali, no? Yung card na yan. Alright, so that's all for today, guys, no? So ito yung mga nakuha natin na malulupit. Of course, we have the purple prism of Evan Mobley. Of course, we have kanina, no? Yung base ng dalawang Thompson twins. And then green card of Azar, Paolo, and Zach LaVine. So again, thank you very much, guys, for all your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel para you'll be able to be notified, no, sa mga future offerings and videos and of course products ni Cars 360. That's all for me today, guys. Stay safe and God bless. Bye for now.